Welcome back! In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the sign-in type on your Windows 10 PC. For example, you may want to change it from a password to a PIN number, or to just see what other options there are. If your PC is accessible by others, it's best to have a secure sign-in type. Remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change the sign-in options, first go to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the start menu. In settings, choose accounts and then click on sign in options from the list on the left. You can change the sign in type on this screen, so have a look at all the choices and choose one that you think you might prefer, such as changing to a PIN rather than a password. You'll likely need to enter either your current PIN or Microsoft account password when you want to change to another option. There are a few more settings you can change on this page, such as turning on dynamic lock. This will automatically lock your PC if you leave your desk or a certain range with a connected device such as your phone. You could also choose to remove a password. I would recommend having at least a PIN set, but if you do want to remove a password completely, then first select Never in the drop-down box below the sign-in options. The next way to remove the password sign-in is to search Run in the search bar. In the Run box, type in NETPLWIZ and hit Enter. Now in the new window, uncheck the box that says users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Click OK or Apply to save these changes. And so that is how to change the sign-in type on your Windows 10 PC. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. And if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.